Jesus' instructions to look at the birds of the air and to consider the lilies of the field are phrased like commandments, imperatives meant to save our lives. Do look, do consider. In the Sermon on the Mount, they're snug up against other imperatives, such as do to others as you would have them do to you, or do not store up treasures for yourself on earth. If the teachings about the birds and the lilies do not stick in our minds the way the others do, is it because we're still reluctant to value a singing heart as much as we value a tired one?